Hello students, welcome to the channel of Ganeshkar tutorials. Hope all of you are safe at home and boosting your knowledge by learning from home through our channel. On students' demand, today we have brought to you a new video of English Bal Bharti for Standard 6th, Unit 1, first poem, that is Don't Give Up. मतलब हार मत मानो. So students, first I will read the poem for you and then I will explain you the poem. Okay students? Now let's start with the poem. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you bid, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Now students, move with the first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that great and good is done just by patient trying. Here, patience means to be calm and uncomplaining. It means even if one has tried and failed, one should not stop there. Having patience helps one achieve great things in life. मतलब यदि आपने बहुत कोशिश की है और फिर भी जीते नहीं है तो रोने के लिए कभी रुकना नहीं. जब भी हम बड़े शांति से या बड़े पेशेंस के साथ कोई भी काम करने का प्रयत्न करते हैं तब हमें अपने किए गए काम का अच्छा ही रिजल्ट मिलता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्ट्रांजा. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Here, stronger means physically powerful. It means the little birds that fall while learning to fly, but they still do not stop trying. Through a continuous effort, they finally learn to fly and grow stronger. इस स्ट्रांजा का यह मतलब है कि हालांकि जब छोटा पंछी उड़ने का प्रयत्न करता है तब वह गिर जाता है, तब भी वह आसमान में ऊंची उड़ान भरने का प्रयास करना नहीं छोड़ता और इसी तरह लगातार मेहनत करके उनके पंख मजबूत होते हैं और आखिर में वह पंछी उड़ने के लिए सीख जाता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मूव विद द थर्ड स्ट्रांजा. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Here, bored her means pulled her down, नीचे झुकाना. Has known many a blast means had survived many blows of stormy winds. Loftier means taller and stronger. Prouder means feeling good about oneself. Sturdy means strong. It means an oak tree that has survived many storms and has grown taller and stronger with time. इस स्ट्रांजा का यह मतलब है कि हालांकि ओक का वृक्ष कितना मजबूत होता है यह हमें सबको पता है. कई हवाओं, कई तूफानों ने उसे झुकाना चाहा, लेकिन उन तूफानों का सामना करते हुए वह ऊंचा और मजबूत बन गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट स्ट्रांजा ऑफ द पोएम. इफ बाय इजी वर्क यू बिड, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Here, victory means success. You bid means you win. It means if one wins by easy means it would be of no value. Hence, winning after facing defeat is the real achievement. इसका मतलब यह है कि अगर आप आसान काम से हारे हैं तो कौन आपको पुरस्कार देगा. असल में हार से मिली हुई जीत वही आखिर में आपकी सच्ची जीत होती है. Now students, move with the Question and answer. Extract 1. Read the extract from line 1 to 16 on page 1 of your textbook and answer the following questions. First question is, what is the poet trying to teach us? मतलब पोएट हमें क्या सिखाना चाहते हैं? Answer is, the poet is trying to teach us to never give up in life. She wants us to keep trying until we succeed. इस लाइन का मतलब यह है कि पोएट फॉबे कैरी हमसे यह कहना चाहती है कि हमें कभी जीवन में हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. हमें अपने लाइफ में सक्सेस होने तक ट्राई करते ही रहना चाहिए. या आप कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी काम में सफलता पाने के लिए हमें हर बार प्रयत्न करना चाहिए. Now move with the second question. What difficulties does the young bird face while learning to fly? It means पंछी को उड़ते वक्त क्या क्या कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा? Answer is, the young bird keeps falling while learning to fly for a longer period of time. However, it never stops trying and eventually grows strong and learns to fly. It means जब वह यंग बर्ड आसमान में ऊंचा उड़ने का प्रयत्न कर रहा था, वो बहुत बार नीचे गिर रहा था, तभी भी उसने हार न मानी और अपने पंख के साथ और दुगनी मजबूती के साथ वह उड़ना सीख गया. Now move with the third question. How does the oak tree become loftier and prouder? It means oak tree taller and stronger कैसे बना? And the answer is, the oak tree becomes loftier and prouder only after surviving countless blows of stormy winds. It means जब oak tree ने बहुत बार तूफानों का सामना किया, तब जाके वह क्या बना? तब जाके oak tree taller and stronger बना. Now students, move with the next question. Choose any 4 pairs of a rhyming words from the poem. It means आपको poem में से rhyming words चुन के लिखने हैं. Answer is, the 4 pairs of rhyming words are, first one is won, done. Second, crying, trying. Third, stronger, longer. Fourth, known, grown. Next question, that is a fifth and last question. Give 2 examples of a alliteration. First students, let me explain you what is meant by alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech where a repetition of a sound or letter in the beginning of words gives a musical quality to the line. Like an example I will give you. First example is up a little longer. Here the word little longer begins with the same sound and letter L. Second example, that's the test that tries you. Here the words that's the test begin with the same sound and letter, that is a T. Now students, one more question is there. Speaking activity. First question is, have you ever given up on something good? Share your story with your friend. Answer is, yes, I did give up on something good when I was in class 4th. I was selected to take part in a singing contest. However, I was afraid to go up on the stage and perform in front of the crowd. I therefore asked my music teacher to withdraw my name from the competition, giving up on my dream of winning the singing contest. Question number 2. Your friend fell down learning to ride a bicycle and now has given it up altogether. What do you think will be the poet's advice? Write it down. Answer is, I think the poet will advise my friend to keep trying until she learns to ride the bicycle.